In a statement, Linda Jones, a financial analyst on Wall Street, emphasized the immense potential for XRP, stating that adopters are merely in the initial stages of a game-changing development. According to Jones, the digitization of commerce presents a far greater opportunity than the digitization of communications did in its early days. Jones's recent remarks come in response to a comment from an XRP enthusiast regarding her perspective on the investment opportunities associated with Ripple and XRP following an interview. Welcome to Crypto World Educate. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe and the like button, and don't forget to toggle on the notification so as not to miss any further updates from this channel. In the interview, Jones highlighted the importance of identifying future leaders when considering investments. According to her, XRP stands out because it focuses on cross-border payments, a major utility recognized by Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz. Furthermore, she emphasized Ripple's pivotal role in assisting governments with creating central bank digital currencies, CBDC, underscoring the unparalleled magnitude of such association. In her words, "When you're investing money at the government level, it doesn't get any bigger than that. It's trillions and trillions of dollars. That is the most exciting and largest investment opportunity you can usually think of." Moreover, Jones stressed the disruptive nature of XRP Ledger's advanced technology in the banking and financial services sectors. She noted it helps businesses save time and money. As a result, she characterized XRP as a technology capable of disrupting traditional financial services systems. Also, she highlighted the timing of the investment cycle. According to her, 2024 is crucial for blockchain, cryptocurrencies, fintech, and artificial intelligence, aligning with the impending vertical shift in the innovation S-curve. Ultimately, Jones affirmed that Ripple and XRP excel in all key aspects, making them a compelling investment choice. In reaction, an XRP enthusiast remarked, "This is massive. The amount of wealth that is about to come to the XRP ledger will be insane." The Wall Street financial analyst sided with the sentiment. In another news update, it has been established that Bitcoin's price surge influences the broader crypto market. Its recent uptrend toward the $45,000 range and subsequent decline to $40,500 triggered the altcoin market in both directions. As Bitcoin's 2024 halving approaches, barely 4 months away, various projections have surfaced. For instance, prominent digital asset manager Matrixport predicts $125,000, while Uphold's head of research, Martin Heisbuck, forecasts $200,000. Meeting these targets could trigger a broader market bull run, positively influencing XRP. However, the exact extent of XRP's potential upsurge post-halving remains uncertain. As a result, the crypto basic turned to Google's artificial intelligence software for insights into XRP's anticipated price following the April halving. Notably, Google Bard acknowledged the difficulty in predicting XRP's post-Bitcoin halving price. However, considering historical trends and present market conditions, it suggested potential scenarios. In particular, it cited that XRP could reach $38.50 when Bitcoin hits $100,000. This projection implies a remarkable growth rate exceeding 5,700% from XRP's current price of below 60 cents. In a more bullish scenario, Google Bard highlights the potential for XRP to surge to $46.50 if Bitcoin reaches the $200,000 price target. This optimistic rally would signify an uptick exceeding a 7,000% increase from XRP's current valuation. Several factors influence Google Bard's projections, including historical data from previous Bitcoin halving. Also, the chatbot emphasizes the potential a broader market boom could have on XRP. Specifically, a full-blown bull market could attract new investors and drive demand for altcoins like XRP. Furthermore, resolving the legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC is highlighted as a potential catalyst as it could substantially bolster investor confidence in the asset. Meanwhile, Google Bard stressed the speculative nature of these projections, cautioning that they may not materialize. The chatbot advocates for prudence, urging investors to consider the broader market context and existing uncertainties before making investment decisions. Grayscale, an operator of the largest crypto-based OTC investment products, reconsidered its fund's component weightings after fourth quarter 2023 reviews. Some major altcoins and top-to-FI assets were removed from Grayscale's baskets, but XRP's comeback is the most anticipated development. After the January 2024 rebalancing, Grayscale started using cash proceeds to purchase Avalanche, AVAX, and XRP, two top 10 altcoins by market capitalization. In the updated structure of its Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund GDLC, AVAX and XRP will be responsible for 1.14% and 2.54% of the portfolio value, respectively. At the same time, Polygon (Matic) has been removed from GDLC. All Matic funds backing the product will be sold by Grayscale. This decision is likely intended to front-run the introduction of POL as the new core cryptocurrency of the Polygon 2.0 ecosystem. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, combined total over 91% of the portfolio backing GDLC shares. Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA cryptocurrencies comprise 5.5% of the portfolio. XRP was removed from the fund on January 4, 2021, following the sex allegations against Ripple Inc. and its key figureheads. In mid-July 2023, the District Court for the Southern District of New York ruled out that XRP is not a security. The SEC's appeal was dismissed in October 2023. Besides reconsidering the GDLC portfolio, Grayscale adjusted the structure of assets backing its other popular product, Grayscale DeFi Fund DEFG. CurveDAO's token CRV was removed from the portfolio. Starting from January 2024, the fund only works with Uniswap, UNI, Lido Finance, LDO, MakerDAO, MKR, Aave, AAVE, and Synthetics, SNX. Despite the major accomplishment, XRP is back to one of the largest cryptocurrency funds available for retail clients. Its price action is losing steam. Today, it dropped below 55 cents on major spot exchanges. As such, XRP's price erased all gains associated with the starting phase of the bull run. Its rates dropped to late October 2023 values. The past trading sessions have been indicative of a challenging journey for XRP. A sequence of lower lows, compounded by a rejection candlestick, initiated a sharp decline following a consolidation phase around the 20-day exponential moving average, EMA. This downward trend continued, with a bearish candlestick signaling further pressure on the charts. The current state sees XRP trading at $0.5665, showcasing a 1.42% intraday decrease and suggesting a prevailing bearish sentiment. The heightened trading volume at $1.35 billion further underscores the ongoing selling pressure. Analysts are maintaining a neutral outlook, projecting a potential retest of the critical support level at $0.300. Analyzing the technical aspects, indicators paint a cautious picture. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, curve's position below the midline, around 35, signals seller dominance. Additionally, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, indicator hints at a continuation of underperformance in the forthcoming sessions. In this make-or-break scenario, XRP's immediate support levels lie at $0.500 and $0.420 while facing resistance at $0.630 and $0.700. The outcome hinges on whether bulls can counter the prevailing selling pressure, potentially paving the way for a recovery, or if XRP will succumb to further bearish sentiment, leading to a test of critical support at $0.300. We are not financial advisors and this video is for entertainment and educational purposes. Kindly do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you find value, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe for more exciting content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring.